Today we're going to make the Argentinian churrasco. Very simple, very plain. This is the skirt steak. So what I do right here is I stretch it out and separate them thinly. Cut it angle, and you can see the grain. See, and then you just I'll arrange it right here. We're gonna put some salt in it. Yeah, the same way right here. Just there we go. And then this. Then here we go. Here we go. And now we put some salt in it. And we put some pepper in it. Put in whatever. Then we put oil in it. Put your salt and pepper first before putting your oil. Not putting oil and then put some salt in it. See what happened is, then you mix it up. Never put acid on the red meat. Always salt and pepper them, and then it's time for searing. Alright, so we're gonna sear them, and I like to put try to, as much as possible, don't fill them up, or else you're gonna have some juice in there that you don't want to. Give them time to air out. That's what so there's a space between them. Remember, this is called pan-sear. You can do this in grill, but right now we're not outside, we are inside. And this is the first thing that we put it right here. Has to be like that, caramelized, brown color, and then you split. Anyway, okay, just like that. This one is we're only searing it and we're finishing it up. We're finishing it in the oven or a toaster oven, since they're only a small amount. But of course, if you want them well done, you might consider leaving them longer. Yeah, and do it again. Always put fat first, the one with the fatty side, because let render the fat and very the fat is flavor. You don't want them to and flip. Good, that's already, see, brown color already because of the fat. Remember, we only put very little oil just to start it, because this churrasco has a lot of fat in it. hit. That's one. Like that. Then we put this, the last pura. Okay. That's churrasco. Remember, chocolate. Don't do this at home, okay? This hand is praying. Now, when you are a chef, you develop that top hand on the heat. And click. Beautiful color, smell. Alright, so we'll put this in the oven to finish it. But before that, I'm gonna rest this first and I'm gonna make the salad. That's our beef churrasco. It's going to the oven after I made the salad. Broil, see that? And then put them 15 minutes and put them in there and leave it there, okay? 15 minutes, see it? Boom, right here. See? Perfect medium. And you put the chimichurri in it like this and bite it. Alright, so we're gonna make some red chimichurri. Alright, first it's about pull the teaspoon of this red pepper flakes, maybe another teaspoon of paprika, and then go teaspoon of black pepper, ground. Okay, you can use white, but I like to use black because it's stronger flavor. And then here's the garlic. I have 3 big cloves, very fine. Chop it up very fine, and if you could, double it up or trifle. Yeah, this is the secret. A lot of garlic. Chimichurri is about garlic. All right, so that's, I put it in there. Put it in there. And after that, come up close. Now, onion. See, now the onion, I don't cut the top, so you just have to cut them in the middle, and you just, and then cut it right here. So when it's already well diced. This is the one that you want to put it as finely diced. It's like 1/8 diced onion, 1/8 of an inch. Okay, could be, if you can, 1/16 of an inch. Just do it that way. But I'm doing it only 1/8 of an inch. And then come up from that side. Wow, here we go. Now, this is chimichurri. Put your lime in it. No salt yet, remember, salt is later. Just juice them. The good thing about lime is berry have only one seed on it. Yeah. And then let's put the vinegar. It's about about 2 ounces of vinegar, because that's the balancer. And then only chimichurri. Make sure you only use vegetable oil. You can use olive oil, but 50-50. Yeah, you can use, because it become olive oil, then it's not what I want on the Argentinian. Yeah, so that's what it is right here. Yeah, this is, then a little bit more. This is about 4 ounces of oil. That's how you put it there. Okay, put it right here. Okay, right here. And I will put the salt. I'm gonna start with half teaspoon. And we're gonna taste it. And that's your chimichurri. Look at the consistency. It's about 6-8 ounces of chimichurri right here. And there's it. A little bit more salt. But the acid is perfect. Here we go. Just very little. And that's it. That's it. Your chimichurri is ready. This is called red chimichurri because using red pepper flakes. If you want hot, you can add more chili flakes if you want hotter. Okay? But basically 3 peppers in there: cayenne pepper, chili flakes, and black pepper. You can use any pepper you want. Same thing on the green for the parsley. Just replace the red with parsley. Here we go.